Guys, huge win. Huge win. How about some tail lights? Boom! How about some brake lights? Goodbye, yo! Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Tonight we're working on Elsie's tail light wiring. If you've seen some of the other videos, the most recent ones, that's kind of one of the last few steps I need to complete this. Basically I have no power coming back here, so I'm trying to take these panels off and see if maybe I can get this figured out and see where maybe we have power here, but maybe we don't have it. Maybe one of the relays or something like that's bad. So there's 3 relays here, and I'm sorry you'll have to deal with the weather outside. It's rainy and gross. So it looks like there's maybe a rear windshield sprayer motor. I don't know. So I'm basically gonna get it grounded. I'm gonna start poking around in here, see if I can find something that's got some power. This is strange. Had power, so we know we were getting power back here. So it must mean I don't have power running to some, I don't know, some of these wires. So I'm gonna jump back under the dash. Okay, so we've made some developments. I have the brake pedal pushed in. We have power I have the headlights on, brake pedal pushed in. We have power to this solid blue wire that I'll need to find out what goes to back there. And then there is a green and yellow wire here, and it only comes on, okay, so that's right blinker, and that's left blinker. Okay, cool. So green and black and green and yellow. So green and yellow is right blinker, and green and black is left blinker. I'm gonna go write that down. Let's get us an update real quick. Remember how we were in the front just a minute ago and it was green and yellow and green and black? Okay, so I found the green and black wire. It's the one in the middle there. I can't hold the light and that at the same time. Okay, so those didn't work earlier. We go up here, left blinker. Woo. The fast blinking means it has a bulb out somewhere, probably in the front. Look at that thing. We also have a right blinker. Woohoo!
Have vanished in the from time as old as I can tell. I plumbed the depths of every hell. I craved a glimpse of that free world. nothing at all. At that, the walls did crumble down. A ghastly light shone all around. I felt the light course through my veins, just where no love for it remains. But such is life, and such is death. I know the value of each breath. To love a shame and see it pass. It is a sweet and bitter drive. To love a shade and see it pass. There is a price for everything. It is a sweet and bitter draught to win among the meadow
So we're going to figure out why we don't have any power to the tail lights. Also, sorry because I didn't make it clear. I did pull these and both of them are good. And it's stoplight. And this is tail lights. So I don't know what's up there. So I'm gonna get underneath the dash and get to looking.
Hey, I'm from nowhere.
Okay, I have a theory. So these two, there's white wires. Oh, sorry. So these two wires, these two good sized white ones here, look like they run into the lights. Okay, I can't get the camera in there to give you guys enough of a shot. So I'm gonna clean the tip off of this and hook it to the battery and see if our lights come on. So we'll see what happens then. Guys, huge win. Huge win. How about some tail lights? Boom! How about some brake lights? Goodbye, yo! And just brakes. God. Blinker? Jesus. Guys, that is such a win. I really wish I had thought about that, you know, I don't know, 5-6 hours ago, maybe. But it's official. The tail lights work. The blinkers work on the back and the front. Really, I don't have bulbs in them. And the brake lights work. I mean, oh, it's so nice. I'm having a beer right now thinking about it. All right, time to get it wired up. Okay, wiring over here is finally buttoned up. That is a pain in the butt. I do have the wire we connected there to correct the taillights. I'll basically loom it through here and then around into the fender and up with all these others. All right guys, huge night tonight. Thank you for watching and me go through all of this brain damage to get these done. Oh, I'm so excited about having that. One benefit to having these is I also have the air conditioning, or have the blower fan come on now, so that's a big plus. I'm gonna start fabbing up AC lines tomorrow, start figuring out which bits and pieces I need to take to someone so they can finish it up as far as mating the LS stuff to the Toyota stuff and figure out where we go from there. Four-wheel drive linkage, we're either going to buy one unless I can find it in his other rig, or maybe laying on the ground out where we swapped over the bodies. So anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. We have some big plans for Elsie and some other projects that are in the pipeline. Thanks a bunch.